Good morning. Today's line from Tao Te Ching is 是以圣人方而不割，廉而不贵，直而不肆，光而不耀。In English, therefore, the sage is principled but not harsh, honest but not hurtful, upright but not imposing, radiating but not glaring.This line relates very well to the portrait of a very influential person of today. So let's zoom in the 4 dimensions in this line. Firstly, principled but not harsh. A true influencer is guided by principles. They do not control others, but always stay grounded. They stand firm,but do not attack. They always hold the space for open discussions and debates. Secondly, honest, but not hurtful. They speak the truth clearly and kindly. They do not use honesty as a weapon. They know that truth, when delivered with compassion, heals,rather than harms. Thirdly, upright but not imposing. They stand firm in their own values but stay open and empathetic. They do not dominate the space but listen, hold the line, and create space for alignment. And lastly, radiant,but not glaring. They shine from inner wisdom and strength. Their light isn't meant to overwhelm, but to guide. Their glow invites, but not distracts. Their presence is felt, but not forced. This is true influence, not loud, not flashy,but lasting. This is soft power. This is true strength. And anyone, regardless of their titles or positions, can start from here. Now, let me know which dimension of this line resonates with you the most. Thank you for listening.